you ready to move beyond your situations, circumstances, and conditions that we find ourselves in? I know that I am. And I know one of the best ways of doing that is through serving. That's why this Thursday, May 21st at 2 o'clock p.m., I'm offering my famous Ignite Your Passion workshop online at no cost to you. Now, you have to register in order to get the access code into the webinar, but there's no cost to you at all. It's not selling anything. It's all about serving. In fact, I even have a free gift for you just for showing up. In case we haven't met, my name is Joseph Drolshagen, and I'm a certified empowerment coach. I'm an author, and I'm the founder of IFGT Life Coaching. The IFGT stands for It's Freaking Go Time. And that's how I operate in all of my works. I am tenacious towards my clients' results. And this Thursday, we can spend 70 to 75 minutes together and discover the patterns and paradigms and limitations that are holding you back in life, and some tools to shift those, powerful tools to shift those, to launch you forward into that life that you desire and that you deserve, regardless of the situation and circumstances surrounding you. We'll learn how to right-size fear, to kick its ass out of the driver's seat of our life and take control back. We'll learn how to live a vision-driven life. So rather than reacting to life as a whack-a-mole game, is we can start responding to situations and circumstances showing up. And a lot more involved in the 70 minutes. We'll have interactive time between us, and I'll make it entertaining and make sure it's really worth your while. Again, in order to do so, now there's limited seats, so in order to attend, you have to register. So click on that link below and register, and I'll look forward to seeing you on May 21st, Thursday at 2 o'clock p.m., and we will ignite your passion.